Here we are at Matsuo-Kawa River. I've come to fly my drone. So this is just downriver from a lot of the onsens and hot springs. So you have this beautiful deep blue coloured water because of the sulphur. Got to grab my gear. Got my snowshoes on and ready to go. It's not a particularly cold day today, but there's about 1 metre of snow, so I wouldn't get down to the river without my snowshoes. Well, this is as good a spot as any. I hope I don't crash because it's going to be really hard to find my drone in this snow. And we're off to a flying start here. So my first drone, when I landed it in the snow this morning, I've obviously stuffed the camera up somehow, so I've got no camera feed. So luckily I brought the second drone with me. Okay, I've decided to quit while I'm ahead. Whoa. My old batteries aren't lasting very well in the cold, and I overshot the jacket then and ended up in the snow. Yeah, so I'm wet and I don't want to fly again because I do not want to have to cross a frozen river to go and get it way up there, way up the river. So just gonna have a little look and then get back to the warm car. Hopefully I don't fall down a big hole. Well, despite all those failures, it wasn't too bad a flight, so a learning experience for next time. Time to go home.